I am plugging in the DC connector, turning on the DC power supply, and pressing the power button of this machine. The power LED lights up and the display comes on. I am now selecting battery information, and as you can see, the machine is unable to detect the battery even if it is connected properly. The AC adapter unknown status is shown because I'm using a DC power supply instead of the original AC adapter.
The battery not installed error may be caused by a faulty battery. However, I have already tested the machine with a new battery and it is still unable to detect the installed battery. So let's disassemble the machine and inspect the other components and circuits on the motherboard. Here, I am plugging in the AC adapter and checking the DC connector. The input voltage and PSID signal are stable. However, on the battery connector, the clock signal is low, whereas it should be around 3.3 volts. Let's open the schematic diagram. Here, this is battery connector, and this is charging IC. The charging IC communicates with the embedded controller through the clock and data signals. I checked these resistors, and they are all fine. However, I found that this pull-up resistor has a low resistance value, whereas it should measure 4.7 kiloohms. Here, I am checking those resistors. One of them measures 4.7 kiloohms, which is the correct value. However, the other resistor measures only 2.4 kiloohms, whereas it should also be 4.7 kiloohms. I disconnected both resistors and measured them again. This time, I found that both resistors measured 4.7 kiloohms, which confirms that they are working properly. So this indicates that the issue is likely related to the embedded controller. So I removed the faulty embedded controller and am now going to solder a new one onto the motherboard. After that, I checked both resistors again, and now they are both showing the correct resistance. The clock signal has also returned to its normal level. Next, I inserted the battery and connected the AC adapter. Finally, the battery charging LED turned on. Let me check the positive terminal of the battery connector. As you can see, the voltage is gradually increasing, which confirms that the battery is now charging properly. I have now reassembled the machine and turned it on again. Next, I opened the BIOS menu and selected battery information. As you can see, the system now detects the battery and it is charging properly. Finally, the battery not installed issue has been successfully fixed. I hope you liked this video. I will see you in next video. Have a great day.